This is Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes, probably one of the best known guitar riffs in the present century. Riff being the word we use to describe a pattern of notes that is repeated. I'm playing it in two different parts, the lower part and the higher part. The low part, I'm playing with my thumb, and it's on strings 5, 4 and 3. The first note we need is an E, which is E on string 4 fret 2, which I'm playing with finger 2. It goes up to a G, which is open string 3, back to E again. Then we've got a D, which is open string 4, C is string 5 fret 3, there you go, finger 3 on that one, followed by B on string 5 fret 2. All together. And again. And in the song that repeats a lot of times. I'm doing it 4 times for now, and then we do the transition, the change from this section into the higher bit. And that's 2 chords. And I'll give you a couple of options for how you can do this. If you can play a full chord, it is a G. First one's a G, which looks like this. That has finger 2 on string 6 fret 3, finger 1 on string 5 fret 2, and your finger 3 down on string 1 fret 3. I'm playing quite hard on the thicker strings, the lower pitch strings, and it's all down strokes. I'm just kind of using my invisible picker, so I'm using kind of the fingernail of my index finger with my thumb behind it for a bit of pressure, and I'm just going 8 down strokes. The other chord is A, which is 3 fingers in a row, all on fret 2. Finger 1 on string 4, finger 2 on string 3, finger 3 on string 2. And I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm giving myself half a beat to get ready for the next bit, which starts on the E that is open string 1. Now this, I'm doing good old walking fingers for this again, index and middle fingers, doing rest strokes up here, like that. So we go E, E, G. G is up on string 1 fret 3, back to E. D is string 2 fret 3, C, string 2 fret 1, and B is open string 2. And then every second time it does a little extra bit, which goes. So when you get to the C, you go back up to D, back down to C, and then B. So you keep your finger 1 in place on the note C. And what I'm doing, it's a hammer on and then a pull off. The hammer on, it's a very good title for it because that's exactly what you do. You play that first note and then you don't pluck the string again. You don't pluck it down here. You just literally hammer on. You bang your finger down quite hard onto the string, and that gives you the extra note. Pull off, as the title suggests, you pull it off. But you kind of pluck the string with your finger as you're pulling it off, and that gives an extra note, like that. See what I'm doing? Give you a little close up there. Sort of plucking the string with that finger. So this, you just play it 1 time and you get 1, 2, 3 notes with a beat. So all together. Okay. And the transition back to the low part is just the same again. G and A. if you're not quite up to the full chord, you can just do a single low note G down on string 6 fret 3 and an A, open string 5. That's perfectly good enough. Then we're back to and so on. Okay, we're good.